Good morning, dear students. So, here goes our first co curricular activity. Today's activity is storytelling. So, are you all ready for a what beautiful story? So, let me introduce the story to you. The name of our today's story is the story of Shukdev and King Janak. King Janak, it's a known name, yes? All of you have looked Ramayana and lot of mythological serials in the pandemic, sitting at home, am I right? So King Janak, father of Sita Maya. So once sage Vyas told his son Shukdev, my son, you should go and meet King Janak, as he is an ocean of wisdom, and it will help you. Now, children, in the earlier days in our history, whatever parents used to say, children used to obey it, and no one used to say no. So, though Shukdev was keen to learn from him, but he was doubtful that of the knowledge of King Janak. He reached the palace where he was welcomed by the king. And Shukadev said, my father sent me to you to learn high spiritual knowledge. Please take me as your student. I must ask you, I don't understand how a palace dwelling king who indulges in the wealth in the company of women can be such a highly recommended yogi as my father said. Do you understand what is the meaning of this sentence? Shukadev was in doubt that a king who lives the worldly materials, is he so spiritual? Is he capable of providing me the highest order of the spiritual knowledge? To this, Janak answered, we will talk about that later. But if you want to be my student, you have to pass a test. Let's listen what the test is. Take this cup of oil and put it on your head. Go around the palace and keenly observe each and every corner of the palace. I will need every detail from you, but remember, you shouldn't spill even a drop of this oil if you want to be my student. Shukadev did as he was asked to do so. King Janak asked many questions to confirm if he had indeed visited each and every corner of the palace and completed his task. After asking numerous questions, King Janak got impressed. Because Shukadev completed his task without fail. Then King Janak asked Shukadev, how did he manage to do this? Shukadev answered, I observed every room, but my focus was always on the cup, said Shuka. To this King Janak answered the query of Shuka, the question which Shuka asked in the beginning when he came to visit the king in his palace. Same way, though I live in this world, performing my duties as a king, husband, father, I always keep my focus on God and karma. So the moral of the story lies that live a worldly life but never forget your spiritual path. Thank you, students. Hope you enjoyed this story.